Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, October 30. The Ministry of Health will be increasing the complement of psychiatric nursing aides in order to strengthen community mental health services. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement while addressing the recent Psychiatric Nursing Aides Conference in Montego Bay. Dr. Tufton said the recommendation was made by the recently appointed Task Force on Mental Health and Homelessness. Psychiatric nursing aides are involved in the promotion, treatment, and rehabilitation of psychiatric patients in clinics, homes, and community facilities. The health minister says the recruitment of more personnel will help to reduce the residual poor treatment often meted out to the mentally ill across the island, many of whom suffer in silence. More than 250 young people have received certification in various skill areas, having successfully completed training under the Alternative Livelihood Skills Development Program. The program is a component of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF's Integrated Community Development Project. It is financed through a $42 million loan from the World Bank and is being implemented in 18 communities. A number of entities partnered with JSIF to provide training in several disciplines to 75 young people from 30 communities. Some were enrolled in pre-university school, which prepares students to enter tertiary institutions or the job market. JSIF's Managing Director Omar Sweeney says 25% of those graduates have found work less than 3 months post-training. The rest of this cohort received training in certified courses such as home management, customer service, landscaping, food handling, customer relations, office administration, housekeeping, and hospitality. Mr. Sweeney says the goal is to train the young people in skill sets that are relevant in today's marketplace.
And so I'm proud to also say that this program will target areas such as 3D animation, film production, online entrepreneurship, customer service, barbering, housekeeping, welding, landscaping, and facilities maintenance.
During this phase of the program, another 179 individuals were trained and certified as Zika warriors and environmental wardens. They will be employed in communities as vector control aides and assist in solid waste management efforts. The National Works Agency is expected to conduct road repairs along the St. Thomas Main Road this week. Sections of the roadway have deteriorated, more so lately due to persistent rains. The condition has prompted residents to mount roadblocks in recent weeks. While in the parish on Sunday, local government minister Desmond McKenzie said he was concerned about the road condition, particularly in the vicinity of Poor Man's Corner, where a section of the roadway was covered by water.
Coming here was not an easy trip, Mayor. When we came off the Yalas Bridge, I did make a call to the National Works Agency, and I'm expecting that by tomorrow into Tuesday, the conditions there would have been improved based on the call that I made.
The St. Thomas Poor Relief Department is to receive substantial support during this financial year. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie says reports show that the Eastern Parish is one of those with a high concentration of indigents. As a result, 2 indigent houses are to be built in the parish, one in Trinityville and the other in Morant Bay.
A part of our social intervention is those who are less fortunate, the indigent. Thousands of persons across this country are registered poor, and it is the responsibility of the Ministry of Local Government, through its agencies and support organizations, to provide the basic needs for those persons who are less fortunate.
Minister McKenzie was addressing this Sunday's church service to officially launch November as Local Government and Community Month 2017. The service also marked the culmination of a youth island-wide run in observance of the month. 350 young people participated in the run, taking speeches from various public leaders to different venues across the island. Local Government and Community Month will be observed under the theme Local Governance, the Pathway to Securing Better Communities. And finally, more of the island's heritage sites are being upgraded in a bid to showcase the country's rich history. Culture Minister Olivia Grange says the work includes infrastructural improvements and the erection of storyboards and general signage.
So the culture agencies of the Jamaica National Heritage Trust and the Institute of Jamaica, under the ministry's portfolio, have been charged as a matter of priority to ensure more of our sites are functional and operating at world-class standards.
She argued that many of the values that the older population grew up with and treasured are being pushed aside for foreign alternatives, while the youth population exhibit insufficient knowledge of Jamaica's history and culture. As part of reversing that trend, she says appropriate spaces in major towns will be created to facilitate cultural performances. In addition, the Culture Passport program has been expanded to enrich the knowledge and experience of Jamaicans.
The Culture Passport invites Jamaicans from an early age to become dryland tourists in their own country. The same heritage that we invite visitors from abroad to experience must be so familiar to us that we become tour guides for our own children, for our families, and for our people.
In addition, the Culture Passport program has been expanded to enrich the knowledge and experience of Jamaicans. Minister Grange made the statements at the recent launch of the 2017 Health, Home and Garden Expo, which was held at the National Arena on the weekend. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.